Ever pondered why some people can taste the soap-like bitterness in cilantro, while others relish its fresh, zesty flavor? Or why certain individuals possess an almost superhuman athletic prowess? The answers to these peculiarities, and many more, lie hidden within the enigmatic world of genetics. Imagine this: every human being shares 99.9% of their DNA with each other. Astonishing, isn't it? It's the minute fraction, just 0.1%, that makes us distinct. For instance, the ACTN3 gene, responsible for a protein that boosts muscle performance, is often mutated in elite athletes. So, perhaps it's time to stop blaming your lack of coordination on clumsiness and point the finger at your genes instead. Life, in its infinite resilience, has a way of defying expectations. Enter extremophiles, hardy organisms that thrive in the most inhospitable environments, from the boiling vents of undersea volcanoes to the frozen tundra of the Arctic. Their unique genetic makeup opens up an array of potential applications, from pharmaceuticals to biofuels. Now let's delve into the more peculiar aspects of genetics. The divisive flavor of cilantro can be attributed to a variant of the OR6A2 gene. This genetic variation heightens sensitivity to aldehydes, giving cilantro its soapy taste for some. Further, genetics can even influence how we perceive the world around us. While most individuals distinguish a million different colors, those with a genetic variation in their eyes' receptors, known as tetrachromats, can perceive an astounding 100 million colors. The realm of genetics isn't confined to explaining human traits. It has also paved the way for revolutionary medical advances. Consider gene therapy, the practice of modifying the genes within our cells to combat disease. This technique has been employed to treat genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis and even specific types of blindness. In a strange twist, certain organisms possess borrowed genes. The sweet potato, for instance, naturally harbors bacterial genes in its DNA, making it a naturally genetically modified organism. The story of the HeLa cells is another peculiar tale of genetics. These immortal cancer cells, taken from a woman named Henrietta Lacks in the 1950s, have been instrumental in numerous scientific breakthroughs, including the development of the polio vaccine and in vitro fertilization. Stepping into the realm of the bizarre, did you know that genetics can cause bones to glow under ultraviolet light? This is a reality for the platypus, which boasts biofluorescent bones. In conclusion, the world of genetics is a treasure trove of surprises, shaping not just our traits but providing solutions to some of the most pressing medical and environmental challenges. The next genetic discovery could be just around the corner, ready to astound us once again. Thank you for embarking on this genetic journey. If you've enjoyed peeling back the layers of genetics, do remember to subscribe and hit that bell for more fascinating insights. Which genetic fact surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments, and until next time, keep exploring.